Hello guys, we're here at the Dollar Tree, as you know, and they have some amazing new Christmas products, decorations, just a lot of new everything, and it is so amazing. So come join me as we take a look at these new items here at the Dollar Tree this week. Y'all see those right there? Now look at them right here. These are new amazing boxes. Look at that one. That one that says Christmas Stories right there. This is how it looks. It looks like a book. And then this is a box. That's so pretty. Then they have these amazing new soap dispensers and snowman. And this snowflake. And then in that truck, they also have these trays right here that's new this week. That one says Joy. Then they got the one that says Farmhouse. Oh, these are so pretty, guys. And these are $5 for the big extra large trays. They have those bags again back this year. This one that's got that print on it. The blue one right here with the snowflake prints, and then that's that one right there. They also have these new throws right here with the snowman, the poinsettias, Christmas trees, then the snowflakes, along with these right here. Oh, those are amazing. They got it that says Mary, and they got it in this other plaid one that says Joy, and then they got it in that green one that says Noel, guys. Those are cute. But that's not it. They got these holiday plushies that comes in a big Christmas tree. Come in that round one that's like a peppermint. They got this other Christmas tree right here, but they also have one more Christmas tree that's in the green. Those are beautiful. Then they got these LED temporaries, I guess that's what you might call them, that you could hang on the tree, but also you could hang them outside because they are solar. They got it in the green, the gold, red, and the blue. But look at these 30-pack shatterproof ball ointment sets for $5. You cannot beat it. But look at this color right here, guys. Isn't that pretty? Then they got it in the blue. But look at these gingerbread man and woman. Oh, those are so cute. Yes. Then they got some holiday friends down here for us, guys. They got the elf. They got the penguin. He looks so cute with his little earmuffs on. They got Santa. Him so cute too. Next to that, they have some Christmas trees. That's so cute. Those are $3. There's some metal trees. And those are the colors that they're coming in this year. Along with this pre-lit garland. It is 12 foot long. Indoor, outdoor, end to end. Real cute. Look at Santa. They have Santa right there. Ain't he so cute? That's the one in the red. Then they got these gnomes right here. I think I showed y'all those. But they also got these extra large lanterns decorated, which are $5. They also got the Days of Christmas right here. They got it in the snowman, Santa, and the reindeer. They also got this 24-pack of balls that comes in the colorful ones, along with the red, the traditional colors right there. And they got these metal jugs. That's cute. That one says Merry Christmas. That one says Joy. And then they got that Farm Fresh one right there. They also have these beautiful ones that's decorated like a present right there. Comes in the silver and the gold. But look, guys, look at here. This ought to give you some ideas. They got this latte mug with the plushies. That one says let us know. That one says ha ha ha. Happy holidays. And then they got those big ornaments up there, wall, whatever you want to call them. Standing characters right there. Very cute. They got these big Christmas trees. That's $5. They also got these reflecting magnets. A 36 feet, 18 light bulbs for $3. You can hang on your car. Ain't those cute? Very cute. Then they got these mini 100 strings of light and the clear and the color. And I just showed y'all that. But this is all the $5 section, the $3 and up section. So guys, I wanted to share that with y'all while I was here. These are new this week at the Dollar Tree. I want to thank each and every one of y'all for joining me in this walkthrough of the $5 section this week. Let's see all these new amazing deals here and products here at the Dollar Tree on the $5 and up aisle or $3 and up. And until my next video, I want to wish each and every one of y'all a blessed morning, night, and wait, I wanted to show y'all one more thing that I forgot to show y'all. They got some more pet pajamas in that one. And then in the elves, they also got these kitchen mitts right there for $3. But that's not it, guys. Look at these aprons and the elf and in Santa. Those are so cute. Please give me a subscribe before you leave. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I do a video. Drop down in the comment section and leave me a comment and let me know that you've been here and give me a thumbs up so my video can get out there to others. And until my next video, you all be blessed.